Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to enter final grades. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To enter final grades in PowerSchool, you'll use PowerTeacher Pro, that is web-based. So to do that, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in PowerSchool.com. Then once you're inside there, go to your PowerSchool teacher portal. Then simply click on PowerTeacher Pro and now use the class selector at the top to pick the course you want to grade. Then next, in the left menu, simply click on grading and select post grades. Then choose the correct reporting term, example question 1, S1, final, or etc. Then simply enter your final grades. A list of your students will appear in the final grade column. You can manually type the grade or use auto calculate option if your district allows it. You can also enter comments if needed, and lastly click on save after entering grades. If your school uses a post grade feature, simply click the gear icon and select post grades and then simply confirm and submit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.